By the powers vested in me as Pro-Vice-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. And I invite the Vice-Chancellor, Professor Julie Lydon, to address the congregation. Please be seated.
Pro-Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, it's my great delight to welcome you on this special day. Formally, it is our academic recognition of your considerable talent and a collective celebration of your individual endeavour. However, it is also our opportunity to say thank you to everyone else here who has supported you. Now, I'm going to go off script for a moment, because one of the things I'm expecting to hear a lot of this afternoon and this morning is cheers and clapping and whooping as our wonderful graduates come across the stage. So I think we ought to have a little rehearsal to make sure you're all up to form to do this, including my colleagues in the behind me and to the side of me. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. So my honoured colleague, what do you think? Was that? A little bit louder? I think it could be a little bit louder. I think it's a big hall to fill. So we'll have one more go. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. And as a mum that's seen 2 of her sons cross very similar stages, I know how important it is to feel you can express your pride and your gratitude, perhaps, and relief, in my case, that they managed to get their degrees. So, as graduates of this university, you are the latest learners in a line that goes back to 1841 and has its roots much earlier. Our story at USW goes back to the early days of the Industrial Revolution, when some far-sighted leaders of business and their professions created small specialist institutions of higher learning to educate the brightest minds of their younger generation. They would be proud now to see how their small colleges have grown into a major international university, a university that adds value to our society, to our economy, and most fundamentally changes the lives of bright people like you. You are part of a vigorous academic community of all nations and beliefs. The graduates who have gone before you are already making their mark, whether they studied arts or business, humanities or sciences. Across the United Kingdom and in many countries around the world, there are graduates of your USW leading businesses and becoming experts in their professions. They are engineers, sports professionals, artists, teachers, entrepreneurs, business leaders, police officers and nurses, to name but a few. They all have something in common that goes beyond their success in work. They know, as we do, that having a degree also has a deeper function. Graduates like you have developed the healthy skepticism and flexibility of thought that we hone through a university education. You have challenges, but you also have unparalleled opportunities to make a difference. And more than that, every one of you has talent, every one of you has intellect, and every one of you has commitment and the capacity for hard work. And now you will have the qualification to prove it. So as I start this ceremony, I'd like you to remember 3 things. You deserve to be here today. Your hard work is a credit to you, and we are all very proud of you. My sincere congratulations. Well done, and thank you.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys i aelodau'r brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yma'n bresennol, y cynhelir cynulliad o Brifysgol De Cymru ar y campws hwn ar y 12fed o Orffennaf 2019. Heddiw, anrydeddwn ysgoleigion sydd wedi profi trwy eu deallusrwydd a'i hymdrech ysgolegaidd eu bod yn gymwys i gael ei derbyn ar gyfer y graddau a chymwysterau'r brifysgol. Drwy anrydeddu eu cyreiddiad, gadewch i'r rheini sydd yma'n bresennol cydnabod eu ymrwymiad a dathlu eu llwyddiant. Bydd soddon ein gobeithion yn disgwyliadau ynddynt gan obeithio y byddant yn rhoi eu talent a'u disg ger bron eu proffesiwn a'n cymunedau. Hyderon y byddant yn cyfrannu at dyfodol ein cymdeithas gyda anrydedd a chlod.
Let it be known by members of the University and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in this campus on the 12th day of July 2019. Today, we honour scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honouring their achievement, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to congregation the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education candidates who have been awarded the Doctor of Philosophy. Clara Sabolova, in recognition of a programme of work entitled Family Types, Parental Relationships and Children's Wellbeing, a cross-cultural and longitudinal study across Wales and the Czech Republic. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Deborah Lancastle and Dr. Nicola Birdsey, Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. The Master of Arts in Education, Innovation in Learning and Teaching, UNICAF, Issa Madaugu. Oluwakemi Ajika Oka. Verushka Ramsarup. The Master of Arts in Education, UNICAF, Dalia Atala Ibrahim Ashad. Reem Mustafa Kamal Mohammed Lotfi Khalil. The Master of Science in Behaviour Analysis and Therapy, Rian Tomlin. The Master of Science in Business Psychology, Syed Awadeyai. Simon Duggan. Rachel Elizabeth Evans. Paul Thomas. Postgraduate Diploma in Behaviour Analysis, Supervised Practice, Jodie Lee Davis. The Bachelor of Arts in Creative and Therapeutic Arts, Karina Jasmine Adams. Bronwyn Calnan. Rebecca Beatrix Kane. Emily Chapman. The BA Honours Creative and Therapeutic Arts, Outstanding Subject of Work across all subjects, Florence May Coates. Silver Anna Amalia Lily Coviello. Phoebe Dodd. Chloe Arena Gibson. Olivia Ann Goodwin. Rebecca Jones. Ariane Kelly. Rebecca Jane Lloyd. Inori Morimoto. Caitlin Palmer. Kylie Parsons. Amelia Richards. Carrie Ann Sutton. Nevenka Trias. The Bachelor of Science in Childhood and Health, Sinead Thomas. The Bachelor of Science in Childhood Development, Alexandra Gabrielle Beard. Lauren Jane Harris. Samira Ibrahim. Shauna Jones. Ashley Peterson. Olivia Quinton. Cara Shepherd. Isabel Michelle Tamilia. Harriet Townsend. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Maimouna Ahmed. Eleanor Megan Barber. Duncan Bell. Emily Bloomer. Lucy Botfield. Lucy Ann Carter. Ruth Hannah Childs. Nicholas Dahl. Jason Alexander Evans. Katie Rose Evans. Scott Fraser. Rebecca Gillespie. Alicia Griffiths. Taryn Hale. Alicia Jade Hancock. Catherine Louise Horsley. Natalie Houden. Okay. The Kevin Crowley Undergraduate of the Year Award, Victoria Hughes. Sarah J. Huntley. Alice Hutchinson. Scott Jenkins. Laurie John. Emma Jones. The Dean's Prize for Notable and Outstanding Achievement, School of Psychology and Therapeutic Studies, Psychology, Holly Jones. Joshua Benjamin Jones. Kelsey Caroline Jones. Sean Jones. Taryn Jones. Katarzyna Kurek. Dominika Longawerova. Yu Gwen Nicolette Eng. Amy Rachel Nicholson. Jessica May Orr. Yasmin Dawn Pitts. Chloe Powell. Brogan Nicola Daniela Price. T. Rakik. Erin Rossis. Caitlin Smart. Katerina Tavoriska. Nadine Savannah Thomas. Lauren Louisa Lee Ware. Melissa Jade Watkins. Catherine Natasha White. Danny Joseph Windlaw. Kieran Whitsey.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cytharol gan myfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd Drama Cymru. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers graduated this year with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees of the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Yn perfformio ar ein gyfer ni heddiw mai elw. A byddant yn chwarae, they will be playing Isn't She Lovely, The Bare Necessities, You've Got a Friend in Me. Graddedigion, Gwesteion, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to Hello Quartet.
Science and Psychology. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Veronica Zigraova. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Behaviour Analysis, Bryony Lee Clark. Rebecca Clark. Lewis Doherty. Lisa Evans. Georgia Lagden. Kerry Olsen. Lauren Pierce. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Cognitive Behavioural Therapy, Connor Allen. Lauren Ellis Ashcroft. The British Psychological Society Award for Best Performance and the Welsh Branch British Psychological Society Prize for the Best Final Year Dissertation, Harley Rose Conybeare. Fanny Fajez. Caris Howells. Amanda Jane Lewis. Donna McMahon. Lucy Elizabeth Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Counselling, Casey Lee Bennett. Andrew Bishop. Jason Bolden. Caitlin Canning. Marina Tracken Dawson. Stacey Coombs. Sarah Louise Crew. Stephanie Howells. Teresa Hanova. Charlotte Lavery. Shonard Morgan. Joel Perry. Katie Phillips. Heather Lauren Porch. Philippa Powell. Demi Louise White. Janice Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Criminology, Stephanie Louise Wilkins. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Criminology and Criminal Justice, Victoria Barber. Sadie Louise Barnard. Jordan Lee Doran. Bethan Khan Doyle. Emma Francis. Kimberly Lee Hunter. Fionn Gwen Jenkins. Bruna Alexandra Madureira Figueiredo. Louise Jane McCloy. Wahab Mohammed. Jennifer Murdoch. Teonga Nirenda. Eleanor O'Brien. Anna Christina Ostermeyer. Emma Phillips. Courtney Rees. Shannon Wilkins. Ketsia Young. The Bachelor of Science in Psychology with Developmental Disorders, Demi Bernard. Carella Louise Brown. Megan Dorset. Megan Fitzgerald. The Dean's Prize for Notable and Outstanding Achievements, School of Psychology and Therapeutic Studies, Psychology, Emily Harris. April Keneally. Hazel Miriam May. Hannah Passmore Welling. Jessica Emily Robinson. Anna Rosalie Ware. Madison Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Sports Psychology, Johnson Shandigera. Flora Sarah Eckley. Jack Hawkes Smith. The Bachelor of Science in Systemic Counselling, Chris Davis. Sarah Davis. Stephanie Dawson. Nicola Christiana Evans. Victoria Halewood. Tanya Hayter. Gareth Rees. Sally Twigger. The Foundation Degree in Science and Psychology, Coleg Gwent Cross Keys, Sally Lane. Amy Rogers. Sarah Wells. Jade West. Emily White. The Foundation Degree in Science and Psychology, Merthyr Tydfil College, Hannah Benson. Keris Davis. Gemma Groves. Lindsay Johnson. Rebecca Jones. Trudy McElroy. Sarah Parfitt. The Master of Arts in Education, Innovation in Teaching and Learning, UNICAF, Namela Matswi. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the award from the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education. Honoured guests, graduates, congregation, today is a very special day for us and for our Pro-Vice-Chancellor Sandra Spray. Sandra has served the university with great commitment for the last 11 and a half years, and today is her last graduation ceremony. Please join with me in congratulating our Pro-Vice-Chancellor. And for you, well done, congratulations, you can now go and celebrate. Well done.
Well, that was a shock, but thank you very much indeed. It's been a pleasure. So I will now read the closing speech. Congregation, colleagues, friends and guests, I am the first person now to call you graduates, and today has contained great moments of formal academic ceremony. For all of you in the audience, it's a moment of pride. On this platform, we shared your pride and your tears as they crossed the stage. They did it. But so many of them didn't do it alone. You consoled them when they were down, you lifted them up as they tried, you guided them, and you were there for them, always. We'd like to say thank you, and I think you all deserve a round of applause. For us on this stage, it's the highlight of the university year. There are 3,000 staff at this great university. They have taught, mentored, fed, supported, counselled, assisted, reminded and encouraged these graduates on their way. Seeing your success is why we all do it. And I want to give you the chance to clap and thank everyone who has worked so hard to enable you to achieve your potential today. So thank you very much indeed. Graduates, most of all, today is a celebration for you. Today is the moment that we, as an academic community, say that you are one of us, that you share our values, and you are going to take those values out into the world. We know from personal experience that the higher education this university provides is valued tremendously by your future employers. And the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is a source of justified pride. Our role as a university lies fundamentally in educating citizens who will ask constructively critical questions in public life. That means helping other people to see what critical argument looks like, to see what genuine thinking is, and to explore great issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive appreciation. These are the timeless values of a university itself, and we hope they are now your values too, as scholars and graduates of our university. Each one of you is an ambassador for both the University of South Wales and for what we are trying to achieve as a university. Today, you move from being our students to being our alumni. However, you remain part of our university with our shared commitment to the transformation of lives through knowledge and education. We trust that your time at USW will have broadened your horizons, opened up pathways to exciting opportunities in your career, and filled you both with a spirit of inquiry and a desire for lifelong learning. We wish you good luck in your future endeavours. We rejoice in your success. You've earned this. Well done, good luck, pob hoil, and thank you. I now declare this degree ceremony of South Wales closed.
A wnewch i sefyll ar gyfer yr anthem genedlaethol os gwelwch yn dda. Please stand for the Welsh National Anthem.